Hello everyone. Now question number 4. In question number 4 it is written verify x plus and in the bracket y plus z equal x plus y in the bracket plus z. Since verify is written, so I think you must be knowing about it. Wherever verification is written, verify is written, it means you have to go for LHS as well as RHS. Before we will take the first part, we will try to see this thing x plus and in the bracket y plus z equal x plus y in the bracket plus y plus z. This property of addition of rational number is called as associative law of addition. What is it called as? Associative law of addition. Okay. So once again, wherever it is written in this form x plus in the bracket y plus z equal, then again in bracket x plus y plus z. So this type of property for rational number addition is called as associative law of addition. Now let's go for the first part. These are the values of x, y and z. Now we have to verify these two. So LHS is x plus y plus z and RHS is this one, that is x plus y in the bracket plus z. So we will write these two separately. Now what we will do, we will substitute these values over here. So instead of x, we will write 3 upon 4 plus. Now instead of y plus z, we will put its value y equal 5 upon 6 plus z is minus 7 upon 8. Minus 7 upon 8. So what should be the next step now? अब क्या होगा? First of all, we will solve the bracket. So to solve the bracket, what you will do? क्या करेंगे हम? We will take its LCM. So we will take its LCM. So 3 by 4 plus 6 and 8 LCM. What it would be? 24. So LCM would be 24. अब क्या कैसे करेंगे? नीचे से divide, ऊपर से multiply. So if you will divide 24 upon 6, 24 divides 6. So you will be getting 4 and multiply it with 5. So 20 plus 24 divided by 8, you would be getting 3. 3 multiply minus 7. So it would be minus 21. So since it is negative, so keep it in the bracket. So instead of this curly bracket, you will put this square bracket. Okay. So what should be next step? In next step, you will solve it further. So again we will take LHS and RHS separately. So first we will solve the LHS. So 3 by 4. So it will be 3 by 4 plus 20 plus minus. So it would be minus and here it will be 24. Look at this one. So plus multiply minus, it would be minus. Okay. Now we will solve it further. 3 by 4, 20 minus 21. So it would be minus 1 upon 24. Now what should be next step? क्या होगा? Again you will take its LCM. So LCM will be 24. नीचे से divide, ऊपर से multiply. So divide 6 and multiply 18 plus 24 divided by 24, 1, multiply minus 1, so it would be minus 1. So 18 plus into minus 1 upon 24. Solve it further, you would be getting 18 minus 1, 17 upon 24. Similarly, we will go for the RHS part. So instead of x, we will substitute its value 3 by 4 plus y 5 by 6, and now we will take the z value, that is minus 7 by 8. So first of all, you will solve this bracket. So it would be, LCM would be how much? 24. So divide 6, 18 plus, here it will be 4 multiply 5, 20 plus minus 7 by 8. Okay. Now, next step to solve this part. So, if you will solve it, so it would be 18 plus 20, 18 plus 20, 38 upon 24, 38 upon 24 plus minus 7 by 8. Now, take its LCM once more. So, it would be 24. So, नीचे से divide, ऊपर से multiply. 3 and minus 21. 24 divided by 8. It would be 3. 3 multiply minus 7. So, minus 21. Now, next step, you have to open the bracket. So, plus multiply minus would be minus. So, minus 21. 38 minus 21 upon 24. Now, solve it further. So, 38 minus 21. So, it would be 17 upon 24. So, what do you observe here? Both of them, LHS as well as RHS, are same. So, next step, therefore, LHS equal RHS, hence verified. Hence verified. I hope this part is clear to all of you. Come to the next part. Similarly, in second part, these are the value of x, y, z. Substitute in LHS and RHS separately. Now, let's see what result we will get it. 2 by 3 plus, now take its LCM. 6 and 9 LCM. What it would be? 18. 18 would be the LCM. So, 18 नीचे से divide, ऊपर से multiply. So, if you will do the division, 3 and minus 5 से multiply. So, minus 15 plus divide 2 multiply minus 7. So, it would be minus 14. So, keep this bracket like this. So, next step, 2 by 3 plus minus 15 plus multiply minus, open the bracket, plus multiply minus would be minus 14 upon 18. What should be next step? 2 by 3, solve it. This is plus minus 15 minus 14. So, minus 29 upon 18. Minus 29 upon 18. Remember one thing, always try to keep the negative term in the bracket if possible. Now, take its LCM again. So, the LCM would be 18, divide 6, 12 plus minus 29. So, it would be 12 plus multiply minus. So, minus 29 upon 18. So, 12 minus 29. So, it would be minus 17 upon 18. Now, let's see the RHS whether we will be getting same answer or not. So solve this bracket first. So LCM would be 6, divide 2, 4, divide -5. So since it is in negative, so keep it in the bracket, plus -7 by 9. Now open the bracket, plus multiply minus. So -5 upon 6 plus -7 by 9. So you can keep this term also in the bracket. So 4 minus 5, it would be -1 upon 6 plus -7 upon 9. Now what should be next step? क्या करेंगे? Take its LCM. So LCM will be 18, divide and multiply. So 2 minus 14. Now -3 plus minus upon 18. So -17 upon 18. So what do you observe? Again we are getting LHS and RHS same. So what should be next step? क्या होगा step? How will you end up? Therefore LHS equal RHS, hence verified. Since we are doing the verification, so you must write this part also. Next part. Similarly, in third part, again substitute these values in LHS, and after solving it, you will be getting this term. Same way in RHS, if you will substitute the value and solve it, then after solving it, you will be getting this term. So 12 by 90, and in RHS also you will be getting same 12 by 19. So how will you end up? Therefore LHS equal RHS, hence verified. Hence verified. Similarly, in fourth part, the values are these x, y and z values. Again substitute in LHS. After substituting it, you will solve the bracket first. So while solving the bracket, take the LCM of 10 and 15. So it would be 30. नीचे से divide, ऊपर से multiply, and then solve it further. You would be getting this as a LHS, minus 55 by 30. Similarly, in RHS, again you will substitute the value in the given RHS part. So remember, always solve the bracket first. So after solving the bracket, you will be getting this term. Now solve these two terms together. Keep this one in the bracket if possible, and after solving it, you would be getting this term. So again, both the terms are same. So therefore LHS equal RHS, hence what will you write it? Hence verified. So I hope this question number 4, which is based on associative law of addition, is clear to all of you. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.